It's summer and the heat is on. Record high temperatures, no break on jerk fans beating a path to Boston Beach.
Quiet parish, busy day. The trek on to the jerk celebration at Boston Beach.
First time in Jamaica and loving it. Just the smells are beautiful, and then you have the water is fantastic.
A nice family fun day where you can bring out the family and have fun.
Roads still not great in Portland. What's new?
The road. I want to try to kill off people out here.
Easy to work up a sweat on another blisteringly hot day.
Quite hot. But you know, once things are going good, I have no complaint.
Yeah, it's very much hot, but I'm keeping moving.
Along with an appetite for Boston's deservedly famous jerk.
Well, I try every little thing. Go for the pork first.
The jerk pork is fantastic, trust me.
Anything jerk, I don't care. I'm gonna try everything.
Portland people jealous of their reputation for setting the standard when it comes to jerk.
You will season it today and jerk it tomorrow. And then you cook it on slow fire. In Boston, when we're doing pork, we use stick for the grill. We don't use metal grill. And that give the skin a softer, milder taste.
How was the road to come here today?
Very bad. Very, very bad. No road in Jamaica. They only believe on the toll road. To keep up the toll road fit and strong because they want you to pay toll.
Was the journey worth it?
Yes, it was very worth it.
You can see why. Lots of takers for the goodies on offer. Fish, pork, chicken, jerk soup and jerk pineapple too.
The original Boston jerk. No, I can't tell you the secrets. If I tell you the secret, then I'll have to get rid of you.
What's the secret to great jerk?
Our seasoning, our spices, especially the Scotch bonnet pepper.
Even venison jerked and served.
If you can't eat conch, you can't eat reindeer. Isn't conch snail?
Spicy?
Yes, spicy, but it's seasoned to the bone.
Yeah, man, I can't catch it, but I can't eat it. But you know, I drink some butter soup, and honestly, I was walking everywhere just to get the reindeer.
Organizers hoping for a bigger crowd, but expected that the state of the roads would be a deterrent.
It's not so good this year at all, but we still have to give thanks.
We are hoping that as soon as the road is finished, we'll head back to really its birthplace, because this is not the birthplace. The birthplace is at the playfield where we're doing the main car park, and we are hoping that as soon as the road is back to where it was, then the people will turn up.
What makes great jerk?
The season, you know, season to the bone.
Shrimps can't be jerked, my friend. We might have to try that one day. It's cooked with pimento leaf. This gives it a nice flavor, very good flavor.
My name is Howard, owner and creator of King Corn. We do roast corn, boiled corn, and with all different type of toppings. Different toppings like coconut. If you want it jerk, you can get jerk toppings on it. People love it.
This gentleman calling himself the jerk man from Boston and something of a jerk expert.
The secret now, how we do it on the stick, because no people don't do it on the stick like we. Then boil it first. But we just make sure that we debone all the pig. Take out all bone, one bone we leave, and then the ribs. And then the meat, where we debone it a bit, we use it and make the sausage. Mix up the sausage, season it up with seasonings, onions, scallion, thyme, and stuff it in at the main stripe. Get the main stripe washed, well clean, with lime, sour orange, wash it down with seawater and everything, that is well clean. After you put it on the stick, put it on the patter, 6 hours it takes for jerk, 6 hours. We start from 5 in the morning, like 11, 12 ready.
This is Pantucky. Name Hurricane Farmer otherwise. When me say Pantucky, me mean jerk chicken me do. Cause when me do it, everybody can tell you. My chicken is very tasty and me really blend my season and me do my thing different from the other rest of people them. That's why me call name Pantucky.
The thing about Boston, there's always the beach to cool off. But the grown-ups happy to get moving to some gospel.
You never go out of your man from your heart. Say thank you. We are done. We are done. We are done. We are already blessed by the Almighty. We say
Jesus followed by lust.
the very first time that I saw you, you looked at me, look, and I said, say what? Lady, say to me, you mean to tell me he put you down for another? She want the hammer, we got the other one. She said she want this with that summer. She said that only birthday. I didn't see what I was supposed to see. Taking it easy when a friend told me I wasn't.
Louis Culture. A fire eater. And the night's headliner, Beanie Man.
Give me the girl, let me the wickedest stuff. Man, it's here. Loving is something where everybody wants it. But can't go from so she gets it up. Woman, if you don't want it, you're fine.
Patrons grabbing a last bite before heading home. Boston Jerk, a celebration indeed, and a belly full.
I see the wild hog, I see the reindeer. Yeah, that's so.
And the people ain't get crazy upon it today, man. The people ain't me right out, man. Everything run out, man. The reindeer, man. The people ain't love it. It was a great show.